the boat with the emblem of the king. This is called the chest. This is called the chest. The chest will take it forward to explain it to you, but this is the symbol that the past not king of this group wore when he entered the monastery to assume the position of the king. So this is the emblem which is clearly reserved for the king. And when the king gives it to the important of the highest gift that can come out of the king. And it shows the bond of friendship and the level of solidarity that has been and I'm also the three young and your strategy. So without you, maybe I would not have been anymore. So we are very grateful to you. This will be a memento of our